I just received a copy of the new book I published. It's really cool. It's called Poet in the Mall. I'd like to read one of the poems. The Sounds of Shopping. Young woman walking, jingling and jangling, baby girl screaming at the Mickey store, big black guy speaking into a cell phone saying, "Shut up, shut up, shut up, you're getting on my fucking nerves." And an old man standing in front of Victoria's Secret saying, "Lord, have mercy." Somewhere far away, someone loudly says, "No, no, no, no," as nearby a drumbeat blasts out into the mall through the door at Wet Seal. There is a roar of conversation in the food court, a man speaking Spanish eating Chinese food, and music is loudly drifting down from the ceiling, Blue Velvet, Michelle, The Impossible Dream. But all over the mall there are babies screaming, toddlers screaming, all God's children are screaming, and the jingle-jangle woman still walking, listening, and screaming herself inside.